Hey, what's up guys? Jandy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is episode 3 of me sharing 5 winning products with you guys. So if this is the first video that you have seen from me, I created a series of me sharing different kinds of winning products with you guys on a weekly basis, and this is episode 3. So if you don't want to miss out on these winning products, make sure you hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so you get updated all the time. Now I just want to quickly announce something. I've never advertised any paid services on my YouTube channel. Action takers know that. I have a Facebook group called Ecom Action Takers, and they know I don't advertise any paid services of mine. Today I just want to tell you guys that I do offer consulting calls. It's on my Instagram. So if you just go to my Instagram here and then click the link in the bio, you should see that I offer consulting calls here. So if you book a 60-minute one-on-one call, it's usually worth $490. If you know someone that has an advanced marketing knowledge, you know what they are worth. So I offer this typically $125 for 1 hour, and then a 15-minute one-on-one call for $55. Now in the next week or so, I'm gonna be increasing the price, and I'm gonna be restructuring these calls. There's probably going to be an option of having 3 calls for 20 minutes each for, I don't know, around $150. The reason why I'm increasing the price is because of the demand. A lot of people have been booking with me, and so I'm gonna need to increase the price just a little bit. And today I just want to share this with you guys, because if you wanted to have a chance to book a call with me, then it's probably the best time before I increase the price. So make sure you message me on Instagram first, and then we can go through the call. Anyways, I hope you guys are ready to check out these winning products that you should test right now. And if you learned something new here, if you see something really cool, make sure to smash that like button and comment below any questions you have. And if you haven't done so, join our Facebook group. It's called the Ecom Action Takers. Alright, so let's get started. So this is the 5 winning products to sell right now. Now all of the links of the products and the videos are going to be shared through my Facebook group. It's called the Ecom Action Takers. It's the first link in the description. So if you want to have access of all the products that we talk about on this video, then join our Facebook group. Now I also do one-on-one consulting call giveaway on every videos that I upload. So if you want to have a chance of winning that, then follow the steps below. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so. Turn that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos I upload. Follow me on Instagram and join our Facebook group. Like I said, it's the first link in the description. And finally, comment down below #ActionTaker plus your current struggles with your e-commerce journey. Awesome, so this is the product number 1, and I've seen this in the past, and I know this is a winning product, and someone has scaled this to $1 million, and it's unbelievable because these kind of products are so good because of the way they solve problems. Okay, for example, this one is the anti-fog car mirror, 2 pieces. Okay, the product cost is only $1.20. You can sell it for about $17, and the profit margin is about $15. This is probably the easiest product to sell if you want quick bucks. So you can target on Facebook ads car brands, cars, or even car lovers. We'll go have a look at the AliExpress product link and also the videos if we find any. Okay, so I found the product here, alright, and they also have a video here. We'll quickly play that. So whatever happens, it doesn't get wet, doesn't get any fog. So you have that visible patch there that permanently clear using these anti-fog car sticker. Okay, and it has a lot of reviews and a lot of orders as well. Pretty good reviews. You can see there's a lot of 5 stars. Majority are 5 stars. So definitely good product here. And also if we just scroll down a bit, they got some before and after photos there that you can use in your product description. And we'll also have a look at a video I found on Facebook. So I found the video on Facebook, and look at the engagement on this bad boy. Okay, there's a lot of likes, comments, and shares, and that's when you know if someone has scaled it already or currently scaling it at the moment. So we'll just quickly watch this and see what the video is like and how you can improve on it. Okay, so it's showing you how to put it on and how to basically use the product. All right, you can definitely make a better video than this to beat these guys. For example, I would add like captions in there and be like, wow, this is amazing, and all that stuff. So feel free to try this product. It's definitely a winner here, and it's good because you can use it on any cars out there. Our product number 2 is the adjustable car seat head support. Now this is for mainly for kids. Okay, the product cost is $5 and you can sell it for around $30. It has a high perceived value, and that way you can actually mark up the price by a lot. And for this, $25 is actually quite a lot when you are drop shipping. Okay, you can target preschool children, car accessories, and even sleeping. Okay, keep it broad, and you want to try different angles when you are using Facebook ads. Now let's have a look at the product link. So I found the product here. It's really cool. There's different colors and different variants of it, and there's actually a video of the product, so we'll watch that right now. Okay, we'll just go quickly have a look how they made the video. Okay, so they show how it works, which is really good, and you can definitely create a better video than this. There's a thumbs up there. And also look at the reviews and the orders of this bad boy. 1,100 reviews and 8,700 orders plus 4.9 reviews. That is amazing. Okay, this is a high quality product here, which is why we can increase the profit margin. Alright, product number 3 is actually pretty common back then, which means people can advertise this again, and it has been a proven winner in the past. This is the universal silicone stretch lids. Okay, they cost around $2.50 on average. The selling price is $20 and the profit margin is about $17. Targeting wise, you can use KitchenAid, cookware and bakeware, and kitchen utensils. I actually tested this in the past and I got pretty good results with it. I just wasn't able to scale it. Maybe I just needed a better video or a better marketing strategy. We'll go have a look at the product link for this one. So I actually found the product here. This is the 6 pieces silicone stretch lids, and it's pretty cool because there's different colors as well, and it's only $2.50 for the lot. Okay, you can see high reviews and also good amount of orders as usual, hence why it's a winning product. Now we're gonna have a look at the video that I found for this product and see how we can improve on it. So this is the video here on Facebook. It's got a good amount of engagement. This is probably not the best one, but I saw there was a lot of engagement, and we can quickly have a look how it works. Okay, 100%, you can definitely make a better video than this. It's pretty simple. They probably just use 1 or 2 clips, which is reasonable, but definitely something that you can improve on. Now product number 4 is the car shade window protector 2 pieces. Now I really like this product. The product cost for this is $3.50 and the selling price is $25, and you have about $20 profit margin in there. Now this is pretty good as well. You can target car brands, car and car lovers, the same one as the product number 1. And we'll go have a look at the product link for this one. So the product link is here. It's flexible and it's easy to install. Most of the cars can use this product here. And also I think they have different sizes for different car doors, I'm guessing. And it definitely solves a problem. It has a high perceived value, which I always look for. Okay, now we'll go have a look at the video which I found here. Now this is a pretty good video here. Okay, see how it works. You know, they have those captions in there, very big and bold. I actually like that. Okay, you can see how the product works. All right, the engagement is not too bad, so it means it hasn't been scaled yet, so feel free to use that one. And our final product of the day is the garlic press. Now the product cost for this is $3. You can tell straight away that it solves a problem. It has a selling price, or I would put the selling price of $19, and the profit margin is around $15. Same targeting as the silicone one, KitchenAid, cookware and bakeware, and maybe kitchen utensils as well. Now this is the product link here. Okay, it has a video. It's got different variations, it seems like. No, there's different products. But the garlic press itself is around $3, $2.30. Likewise, very, very high orders and good reviews. We'll go have a look at the video and see if we can use this product. Okay, I quite like it. It's empty, it's clear, so that means you can definitely put captions in there. Alright, and that's good. You know, that would save time, and a lot of people would love this. I would target female mainly because obviously the female loves to cook and loves their kitchen, so that's definitely a good product to test. Has good amount of reviews and overall solid product. And I guess that's it. All the links to the product and the videos will be included in my Facebook group. So if you want those links, don't forget to join our Facebook group. Also, if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. I'll see you guys soon.